he can literally make your bag charm according to your liking. Exciting. So check him out. This is from Leather Prince. Follow him on his Instagram. And this is his Instagram, Leather Prince. And so I cannot wait. Wow. So the shipping takes about 2 weeks here in America. And so I hope you support him. Follow him in Instagram. This is handmade with love, especially for you. That is so sweet. A leather prince. So this is a leather bag charm. Check his Instagram. He has made a lot of them. And the quality of the leather, I heard, is really good because my friend has this for many years. And so let me show you. I want to flip it over. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love it. Wow. This is a kendo doll, and yes, I play kendo. I'm a kendoka. I've been playing over 10 years now, but it's a lockdown, so we don't have kendo, but I think they're opening very soon. And yes, this is my hobby, is to play kendo. I'm not very good at it, and sometimes I'm not consistent with going to the dojo, but I try my best. And yes, it's my favorite sport. And yeah, this is like a kendo girl, kendoka like me. So this definitely represents me, and I like to put it on my bags to remind me of my trainings. This is so adorable. It's so well made. Oh my gosh, look at that details. He did very good. Wow. And he got my name here, and also I have a choice to use this or pull it out. And I think I'm just gonna use the strings and take the metal out so that it doesn't scratch my bag. So I have those choices. And yes, look at her, so cute. Oh my god. The height of the charm is about 4.5 inches, and the strings is about 5 up to 6.5 inch. Yeah, so cute. Such a nice piece put together. I have not seen anything like this as well, so definitely I am very happy, and I highly recommend him. So please check his Instagram. He was very patient with me. I love the process. And yes, here she is. She's ready to go out with me today. I'm gonna put her on my very special tote bag, and I'll show you here in a minute. Also, thank you to Tiffany for referring me to Leather Prince. I'm very happy, and yes, I think I will be ordering more bag charms, and I just have to decide which one and what style I want him to custom for me. I will also link my old YouTube video down below for one of my competition when I was playing kendo that was filmed from a while back. Just to kind of give you an idea what kendo is Japanese sword fighting, like a samurai, the modern samurai. So yes, and here she is. I hope that you like it and support his business as well. Highly recommended. Very happy with this purchase. And here she is on my favorite tote bag. I can put them together with another charm, but I think it will look good by itself. So let me remove the other charm. And wow, here she is. He did good with the way he made the strings. that attaches the charm to the bag. I like that. I like that I can use a metal ring or just use the strings by itself. I prefer that because I don't want my metals in my bag, if they have any, to get rubbed and scratched by the metal rings. That's why almost all my bag charms doesn't have metal. It just comes with this ring, so you can request that from him. This is such a cute charm, and it just matches my favorite tote bag. I will make a separate video on the details of this bag because I have a friend that really likes this bag, and so look out for it. But yes, thank you so much, Tiffany, my bag bestie. She's the best. And thank you for referring me to Leather Prince, who is also the best. I think he's so patient and very nice and cool to work with during the process of making this bag charm for me, the little Kendoka. Wow. I paid a total of $77, $7 for the shipping and $70 for the bag charm, because this one is a larger size and he makes small ones as well. So check him out on his Instagram, Leather Prince. Alright, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed my short unboxing today. I'm very excited to take this out with me. Please subscribe so you can watch more videos like this, and click the bell notification down below so you can be informed when I upload a video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next one. Take care and have a nice day. I